Welcome to Vocovo Link, the headset solution designed to bring small teams together to help you collaborate instantly while you work. Everything you need to get started is in the box, so you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. First up, your Vocovo Link headsets. They come already clipped in their charging dock, along with your Vocovo Link hub. Plug the power cable into a mains outlet. Then connect it to the back of the dock. When powered up, you'll see a green light on the dock and your headsets will show red or green lights depending on their charge level. For more details, check out the Vocovo Link app. Grab your headbands from the box and take a headset from the dock. Connecting your headband is easy. Place the headset into the headband and press firmly on its sides until you hear a click. Place the headband over your head and point the mic arm towards your mouth. When you're done, remove your headset from the headband by twisting clockwise until it pops out. Place your headset back in the charging dock so it's ready for the next shift. If you need to remove your hub from the charging dock, it slides out easily. The hub can also be mounted elsewhere in your store to give the best coverage, depending on your layout. Ask your Vocovo reseller about the best option for you. Don't forget to scan the dock's QR code and download your Vocovo Link app. It's packed with guides, tips and support options to help you get the very best from Vocovo Link. Vocovo Link, helping your teams connect and collaborate instantly while they work. Get yours today.